In this question, we have to find which of the following is most stable carbocation. Now, if we consider carbocation first, now this carbocation is having positive charge on double bond, and if positive charge is present in multiple bond, then this type of carbocations are very unstable. Now, A and C both are having positive charge on double bond, so A and C both are very unstable. Now comparing A and C, A is having plus I effect due to CH3. C is also having a plus I effect of CH3. Now plus I effect is distance dependent and it is greater in C compared to A. So out of C and A, C is more stable. Now comparing B and D. Now B and D both are having positive charge which is involved in resonance. Now this is also involved in resonance, but along with resonance, this is 3-degree carbocation plus resonance. Now this molecule is only having resonance, and along with resonance it is 2-degree carbocation. Now out of 2-degree and 3-degree carbocation, 3-degree carbocations are more stable, and hence out of B and D, B is more stable. So correct sequence is B, D, C, A, and hence most stable carbocation is B. In this question, we have to find which of the following carbocation is expected to be most stable. Now, if we consider first carbocation, it is having very strong minus I and minus M effect, which will destabilize this carbocation. In second case, after resonance, positive charge is delocalized to that carbon which is having NO2 group. Now, strong minus I and minus M effect will destabilize this carbocation. In example C, again positive charge is present on that carbon from which strong electron withdrawing group minus I and minus M NO2 is present. So again very unstable. In fourth case, if positive charge is involved in resonance, now positive charge will be delocalized to these two carbon. In this case, positive charge is not present at that carbon from which NO2 is attached. So minus M effect is not applicable on positive charge. Now this NO2 is only destabilizing carbocation due to minus I effect. So in all the given carbocations, fourth is comparatively most stable. So important point, stability of carbocation is inversely proportional to minus I and minus M effect. Any electron withdrawing group will destabilize carbocation. A, B and C are having more electron withdrawing power and hence they are less stable, and comparatively D is more stable. In this question, we have to find in the following given species which species will give ortho substituted product. Now if we consider option A, in this case benzene is directly attached with sulfur. Now sulfur is having pair of electron, and due to presence of pair of electron, it will donate ring to benzene ring. It will have plus M effect on benzene ring, so it will be ortho para directing and activating to benzene ring. So correct answer is A. Now if we consider other options, for example in option B, now benzene ring is directly attached with S double bond OR. Now this is having polar pi bond and lone pair as well, but due to presence of polar pi bond, it will withdraw electron from benzene ring. It will have minus M effect, so it will be meta directing and deactivating. In other options, in option C, again benzene ring is attached with the system which is having polar pi bond, and due to presence of these polar pi bond, it will withdraw electron from ring, hence it will have minus M effect and it will be meta directing. In option 4, again benzene ring is connected with functional group which is having polar pi bond, and due to presence of this polar pi bond, it will withdraw electron from ring, it will have minus M effect, and it will be meta-directing, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find correct statement. Now if we consider statement 1, although benzene contains 3 double bond, normally it does not undergo addition reaction. Yes, this statement is correct, and hence correct answer is A. Now if we consider structure of benzene, now benzene is highly unsaturated, having 3 pi bond, but still it will not go addition reaction, rather substitution is the fundamental reaction. Now benzene will not react in such a manner that addition takes place. This type of reaction is not feasible. While on reacting with electrophile, hydrogen is replaced, and in place of hydrogen electrophile is attached. So electrophilic addition reaction does not take place, rather electrophilic substitution reaction is the fundamental reaction of benzene and aromatic compound. Because during addition there is loss of aromaticity, while during substitution aromaticity of the molecule is retained. Loss of if aromaticity is lost, molecule will be highly unstable, so addition is not feasible. While during substitution aromaticity is retained, this molecule is still aromatic, reactants are also aromatic, products are also aromatic. While in addition reaction, reactants are aromatic, while product is non-aromatic. Now considering option B, meta-chlorobromobenzene. Now this is meta-chlorobromobenzene and meta-bromochlorobenzene. Both are same. In fact, meta-chlorobromo is wrong nomenclature. We have to write bromo before chloro. So meta-chlorobromobenzene or meta-bromochlorobenzene, both are same molecule. So statement B is not correct. They are identical. In benzene, carbon uses all the 3p orbital for hybridization. This is incorrect, because in benzene all the carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. So in sp2 hybridization, one s orbital and 2p orbitals are used, while one pz orbital is unused, it unhybridized, which form pi bond. So statement B is also incorrect. An electron donating substituent in benzene orients the incoming electrophile at meta position. This is not correct, because any group which is having plus M effect or which is electron donating will always have ortho-para directing behavior, and it will be activating. So statement in C is also incorrect, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find correct reactivity order for electrophilic substitution reaction in the following compound. Now rate of electrophilic substitution reaction depend on electron density on benzene ring. Higher is the electron density, higher will be rate of reaction. Electron density on ring. Electron density on ring depend on electron donating group. So electron donating group will increase rate of reaction, while electron withdrawing group will decrease rate of reaction. So plus M effect will increase rate of reaction, minus M will decrease rate of reaction. Similarly, minus plus H will increase rate of reaction, plus I will increase rate of reaction, while minus H and minus I will decrease rate of reaction. Now comparing these four molecules. Now first molecule is not having any electron donating or withdrawing group, so it may be taken as reference. Now in second case, CH3 group is present. Now CH3 is having plus I and plus H effect on ring, so it will be overall electron donating, and electron donating group will increase electron density and increase rate of reaction. Now Cl is present, which is having minus I and plus M effect. but its inductive effect is stronger, so it is overall electron withdrawing but comparatively weak withdrawing. Now in fourth case, NO2 is present, which is having very strong minus I and very strong minus M effect, so it will be strong electron withdrawing. So out of these four, second will be most reactive because it is electron donating. Then first, reference, third and fourth both are electron withdrawing, but in third Cl is present, which is weak withdrawing, so comparatively third will be more reactive than 4, and fourth will be least reactive because both group are strong electron withdrawing, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find which of the following is most reactive for electrophilic aromatic substitution. Now rate of electrophilic aromatic substitution depend on electron density on ring. Here is the electron density of ring, here is its reactivity towards electrophilic aromatic substitution. Now electron density will be increased by electron donating group, so we can write all electron donating group will increase rate of reaction, like plus M effect, plus H effect and plus I effect will increase rate of reaction, while minus M, minus H and minus I will decrease rate of reaction. Now in first option, OH is present, which is electron donating due to plus M effect. It is having both minus I and plus M effect, but mesomeric is stronger than inductive, so it will be overall electron donating and it will increase rate of reaction. In second case, now OH and CH3 both are increasing electron density on benzene nucleus. In third case, OH is present, which will increase electron density due to plus M effect, and second NO2 is present, which will have very strong minus I and very strong minus M effect, will decrease rate of reaction, will decrease electron density on ring. In fourth case, OH will increase electron density due to plus M effect, while NO2 will decrease electron density due to minus M effect. So maximum electron density is present in the case 2, and hence 2 will be most reactive, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find in which of the following case electrophile will attack at ortho and para position. Now considering option A, CCl3 is present, and if CCl3 is attached with benzene ring, now it will have reverse hyperconjugation, and due to reverse hyperconjugation it will withdraw electron from benzene ring and create positive charge at ortho and para position. So electron density will be decreased at ortho and para position, so electrophile will attack at meta position. So any electron withdrawing group is present on benzene ring, then it will be meta directing. Now in option B, when NO2 is present, now NO2 is having polar pi bond, and due to presence of this polar pi bond, it will withdraw electron from ring. It will have very strong minus I and minus M effect, will decrease electron density at ortho and para position, while meta position is unaffected. So meta position is comparatively having higher electron density, so it will be again meta directing. In option C, now NMe3 is present. NMe3 is having very strong minus I effect, very strong minus I effect, so again it will be electron withdrawing, and due to electron withdrawing it will be comparatively meta directing. Now in case 4, when phenoxide ion is present, now O negative ion will donate electron to benzene nucleus and increase electron density at ortho and para position. So in this case this molecule will be ortho para directing, and hence correct answer is D. Reaction of NO2 is Aziarin. Now NO2 is electrophile, NO2 positive nitronium ion is electrophile, and this electrophile will attack to benzene nucleus which is having higher electron density. So reaction will be more easily favorable when electron density on nucleus is maximum. Now in first case, when benzene is taken, now benzene is neither having any electron donating group nor electron withdrawing group, so it may be taken as reference. Now in second case, when toluene is in toluene molecule, CH3 group is present, it will have very strong, it will have plus H effect and plus I effect, due to which this will increase electron density on benzene nucleus. In third case, NO2 is present. Now Na2 is having polar pi bond, it will have strong minus I and minus M effect, so decrease electron density on benzene nucleus. Now out of 1, 2 and 3, 2 is having maximum electron density on ring, so 2 will be most reactive, then 1 and then 3, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find if ortho-para directing group and meta directing groups are present at meta position, then upcoming electrophile will attack at which position. So in this case, X is present, which is ortho-para directing and electron donating group. Now Y is present, which is having minus M effect, and it will be electron withdrawing minus M. So if electron donating ortho-para directing group and electron withdrawing group, meta directing groups, are present at meta position of each other, then electrophile will attach to ortho position of ortho-para directing group, because this group is increasing electron density at ortho and para position. Now Y is decreasing electron density at its ortho and para position, so Y is meta directing, so according to Y, group should be attached at this position, and according to X, group should attached at these two ortho position or para position. Now one of the ortho position is very crowded, this position is very crowded, so groups could be attached at this position and at this position. So these two are most probable position in which group can be attached. Now if Y is electron withdrawing group, it will decrease electron density more at its adjacent carbon. So now in this case, upcoming electrophile will be attached to ortho position of ortho-para directing group, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find out of the given group, which group can donate electron by resonance and withdraw electron by inductive effect. So if any group donate electron by resonance, this is called plus M effect, and for any molecule to show plus M effect, it must have lone pair of electron on first connected atom. Now if any group withdraw electron by inductive effect, then it must be having minus I effect, and for any atom, for any group to show minus I effect, it must be more electronegative than sp3 hybridized carbon. So if any molecule or any group follow these two criteria, then it will have plus M effect and minus I effect. Now in first case, when Br is present, Br is more electronegative than sp3 hybridized carbon and having pair of electron, lone pair of electron, so it will have minus I and plus M effect. So first. Now second case, in second case COCH3 group is present. Now COCH3 is having minus I effect because first connected atom is sp2 hybridized carbon, which is obviously more electronegative than sp3 carbon, but due to presence of polar pi bond, it will have minus M effect, so it is electron withdrawing due to resonance and electron withdrawing due to minus I effect. So 2 is not correct. In third, when OCH3 is present, again it is having two lone pair of electron and more electronegative than sp3 carbon, so it will have minus I and plus M effect. In third case, when OH is present, now OH is having minus I effect because more electronegative than sp3 carbon. Along with minus I, it is having lone pair of electrons, so it will have plus M effect. So first, third, fourth. Now in fifth case, when NHCS3 is present, now again NHCS3 is having pair of electron and more electronegative than sp3 carbon, so it will have minus I and plus M effect. In fourth case, when NMe3 positive group is present, now lone pair is not present, it will have only very strong minus I effect. Resonance is not present due to unavailability of vacant d orbital. So 1, 3, 4 and 5 are having minus I and minus I and plus M effect, and hence correct answer is A. In this question, we have to find product of the given sequential reaction. Now CCl3 is electron withdrawing because it is having reverse hyperconjugation. CCl3 is electron withdrawing, and hence it will be meta-directing group due to minus H effect. It is meta-directing group. Hence, when isopropyl chloride or normal propyl chloride, if normal propyl chloride is taken and treated with AlCl3, it will form carbocation. Now this carbocation will rearrange. To form isopropyl carbocation. And if originally isopropyl chloride is present on reacting with AlCl3, it will form isopropyl carbocation. So either normal propyl chloride or isopropyl chloride is taken, carbocation form is 2 degree. Now this carbocation will attack at meta position because due to reverse hyperconjugation, electron density is decreased at ortho and para position. So final product formed is having isopropyl group at meta position, and hence correct answer is B. In this question, we have to find major product of the given reaction. Now this molecule is having 2 electron donating groups, CH3 and amide. Now CH3 is having plus I effect, and along with plus I effect, it is also having plus H effect. Now amide is having minus I and plus M effect, but out of hyperconjugation, inductive and mesomeric effect is more dominating. So CH3 and amide both are donating, but amide is comparatively more donating compared to methyl. Now this methyl will increase electron density at ortho position of CH3 group, and amide will increase electron density at ortho position of this amide group. So now since amide is more donating, so electrophile will attack at that position which is having maximum electron density. Now maximum electron density is present at ortho position of amide, so electrophile will attach at ortho position, and hence correct answer is B. In this question, we have to find major product of the given reaction. Now this molecule is having both OH and amide group. Now both group are having minus I and plus M effect. So both are donating, overall donating, because mesomeric is stronger than inductive effect. Now due to presence of internal resonance in amide is having comparatively lower plus M effect than OH. Hence OH is more donating comparison to amide. So electrophile will attach at ortho position of more electron donating group, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which of the following will give only one product on mononitration. Now if we consider option A, in this case one product is formed when NO2 is attached at this position, 2, 3 and 4 different products are formed in first case of A. In second case, NO2 is attached at this carbon, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in option A, both the compound will give 4 position isomer. Now in case of B, now this molecule have all the position identical. If NO2 is attached at any of these position, we will get identical isomer. So first will form only one mononitro product. But in second case, here 1, 2, 3 and 4 products are formed. So B is not correct answer. In option C, if NO2 is added at any of these position, we will get same isomer. So only one structural isomer is formed when para-xylene is treated with nitric acid. Now in second case, again it will produce same nitro product when NO2 is attached at any of these position. So both of these compounds will form identical product, and hence correct answer is C. In fourth case, if NO2 is added at these position, we will get identical isomer. Similarly, if NO2 is added at these two position, we will get identical isomer. So 2 are formed from this molecule, and from this molecule, if NO2 is added at this carbon, 1, 2, 3 and 4 different products are formed, and hence correct answer is C. Only C gave one product on mononitration. In this question, we have to find which of the following tribromobenzene on mononitration gives 3 isomeric products. Now if we take option first, if NO2 is added at any of these position, now the same molecule is formed. So in case 1, only one isomer is formed. On mononitration, 3 different products are formed if NO2 is attached at this carbon. So in case of second, one is formed when NO2 is attached at this position. Now if NO2 is attached at this position, we will form second isomer, and if NO2 is attached at this carbon, so in case of 2, we have 3 isomers are formed. Now in third case, when NO2 is added at this position and this position, we will get identical isomer, and second is formed when NO2 is attached at this position. So in third case, 2 isomers are formed. So correct answer is, in case of 2, we will get 3 isomer, and hence option C is correct. In this question, we have to identify correct decreasing order of these activating groups. Now any group which is having lone pair will have plus M effect. Now in first case, Nr2 group is present. Now Nr2 is having unshared pair electron and comparatively less electronegativity than fourth than oxygen. Along with these two alkyl group will also increase electron density. So first will be most electron donating because it donate electron due to plus M effect. Now fourth is having OH is having minus I and plus M effect because it is also having pair of electron. But oxygen is comparatively more electronegative than nitrogen, and hence electron donating power of nitrogen is comparatively greater than OH. Now NHAC amide also having lone pair of electron, but now its lone pair of electron are present in internal resonance with carbonyl group, hence its electron withdrawing behavior, its electron donating behavior will be comparatively less. It is having minus I effect and plus M effect, and due to internal resonance its mesomeric effect is comparatively weak. Now in fourth case, when CH3 group is present, now CH3 is having plus I effect along with plus H effect. Now hyperconjugation effect is weaker than mesomeric effect, so any group which is having plus M effect is comparatively more donating than hyperconjugation, and hence correct sequence first is having maximum electron donating behavior, then 4, then 3, and then 2, and hence correct answer is A.